class, in today's class, you will learn through Tux Paint how to make solar system. Okay. You have drawn a solar system in your notebook many times. Okay. So let me share screen with you. And with the help of this, we'll be making Tux Paint. Okay. It takes time to open. Let it open, then we'll begin with. Okay. Jaren, you will respond on behalf of others. Okay. Am I audible? Yes. Vansh Srivastav, very good posture. You're sitting and sitting in uniform also. Good. Kanav Singh Inda, bit a little far from camera. It takes time to open. Let it open, then we'll begin with it. Okay. Today, with the help of shapes, we will create a solar system and yes, here it opens. Let me move to new slide. Okay, this I have made with the other children. Okay, so I will take black color this time. Okay, so I have made I have taken a black background this time. Okay, now first I will move to shapes because I need few semicircles or less than that to make different circles of the solar system. Okay, so as you can see the cursor, I have clicked on circle. Now selecting different angle, I will start making. Let me change the color first. Okay, so beginning with different angle, I'll be making, wait, let me erase it, undo this. Okay, so 8 I need. Okay, I need 8 such circles. I think 5 are there. Few more I need. With the help of eraser, I'll just erase it. What all parts I don't need. As you can see here. Okay. So let me just undo all and then I'll just start from the beginning. Okay. So first click on shapes and then you can select the circle. Now beginning from here, we'll begin. Okay. First I have done this. Then 1 second, wait. I'll just take it as sun. This I'll just fill it with yellow color. Okay. Fine. This we will keep as sun. Okay. Again, I will move to shapes and then circle. Now this time, now let me use this ellipse in place of that. So what happens if I take ellipse? No, it will not give us a proper shape. Acha, fine, it is fine. But it is moving, keep on moving. That's it. Okay. One more I have made. It's not coming only. Let me change the color. Circle and then this time. Color only I want, but 8 circles I will make. Okay, fine. So that we can. How many are there? Count and tell. I'll just remove this and we'll make what I have already made and kept. Na? I'll just open that one. Okay. Now I'll show you. Can you see? Are you able to see this picture? Okay. This is also made by me only. First I have taken circle shapes, then little circles are made, then with the help of again circle, small circles I have taken, and I have added different colors in different circles. Okay, now I'll just stop sharing the screen with you all. Now tell me, have you all let me share the screen with you all. Are you able to see Tux Paint? We'll open a new background and then we'll begin with that. Okay. Let me first disable all those who are disturbing. कन्नव सिंह इंडा वेरी गुड 5A 5B लिखने के लिए आपको टाइम नहीं है और एंड फॉर स्क्रिबलिंग यू हैव गॉट लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम. सार्थक हो जा. गुड गोइंग गुड वेरी गुड. द थिंग्स आर रिकॉर्डिंग. रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है. मैं आप लोगों को ये रिकॉर्डिंग सेंड करूंगी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे. जस्ट वेट. आई विल सेंड यू द रिकॉर्डिंग पार्ट. ओके. I have selected the background. Now where I will go to shapes. Okay. And first I'll click on what all color I want. Then one small circle. Then one more. Then one more. Then little bigger. 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 Whosoever did this better, just remove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. 7 and 8 I want. 7 done. 8 also done. Fine. So 8 lines are there. First I need is one circle I will place as sun. Okay. So one circle I have placed here. I'll fill it with yellow color. Okay. So this is your sun. Now with the help of circles only, we will just make the planets, different planets. Okay. So for different planets, different color I'm selecting. Okay. Then moving to shapes, then circle. So first is Mercury. So I have made Mercury red. Okay. I will fill the color also within this. Okay. So this is Mercury. Why red? Because it is very much near to the sun. So that's why it is red in color. Okay. Then again moving to shapes. First I will select color, then circle, and then one circle I will place here. Okay, purple color. Again I will fill the color. Done. Okay. Now Mercury, Venus, and then comes Earth. Earth is blue in color. Fine. So moving to shapes, I will make Earth blue in color. Okay, then again I will fill it with blue. Okay, so Earth is blue in color. So we have got Sun, Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Now again one circle I need. I will keep on changing the color. I have the choice now to change the color. So different planets will be of different color. Okay, now this time green I have selected. Okay. Now again moving to shapes. One more circle I need here. Okay. This time I will fill it with brown color. Okay. So why I'm moving to different options, so that you come to know that which option is for what. Okay. Then again to shapes, again circle. Again I will draw one circle here. Then I will fill it with yellow color. Okay. Let me fill option. So I have made it yellow. One more circle I need, because I have made till now, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 planets are there. One more I need. Okay. So one more will be placed. How many lines are there? One extra line is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 I have made. Now seventh one needs to be done here. Okay. Now we can. Sometimes better the class gets over all of a sudden, so you should understand maybe timing problem or something like that. Okay. So if it ends, I'll just rejoin you all again. That's why I've taken the attendance. Now 7 done. One more last is there. Okay. That I will fill with this color. So 8 planets are there. Now suppose if I have to name them. Okay. For that I will need arrows. Now again I will move to shapes, or I will move to lines. Lines, then arrows, then one arrow I will place like this to name them. Okay. So that I can draw, I can write the name of a particular planet. This is how you mark the arrows. Okay. Now few I will name, all I will not name due to shortage of time. So I will move to text, and then I will come here. Here I will write sun. Okay. So once it is done, sun is written. What all color you have selected, it will come in that. So black, this time I'm selecting black so that it is visible. Now first one is Mercury. So I will write here Mercury. Okay. Done. Then comes your Venus. Sun, Mercury, Venus. Now this is your Earth. Okay. Mars. And Jupiter. Then comes what? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Then Uranus and Neptune. Now comes your Uranus. And last one is your Neptune here. Okay. Okay, so all the planets are named. Fine. I have given name to all the planets. One planet is there with ring. Which one? Saturn, na? Saturn is with planet, Siddha? Yes. So if you have to put a ring, a planet with ring, that also you can do with shapes. Okay. Click here, and then you can just stretch like this. Okay. So you can see a ring outside the planet. Okay, a ring is also there. So hope you have learned something good today, beta. Happy to see you all.